Hey friends, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sachin Nachnani. Before I get started with today's option chain analysis, I would like to say a heartfelt and a very big thank you to all my viewers who made my last video very special. Yes, it was my first ever Hindi YouTube video, and you gave me so much of positive comments. But more than that, you gave me the highest ever number of views for any of my YouTube video. That is so nice of you. Thank you so much. Keep your love and appreciation coming in. Today I'm recording an English video so that you can again comment and tell me whether you want me to continue with the Hindi version or the English version or a combination of both. Do share your feedback and I promise I will come out with more videos as per your choice. Thank you. Now let's get started with the option chain analysis for tomorrow, that's 16th February. Nifty today closed at 15,314, up by 1% or 151 points. Actually, 100, 150 point kind of moves or 1% up moves are becoming very common these days in Nifty. So it's such is the strong bullishness in market. Nifty futures today close at 15,348, so that gives a premium of roughly 34 points on Nifty. Nifty continues to be put heavy, no doubt about it, because the strength is so strong. The highest open interest on Nifty is at 15,000 strike, total of 25.8 lakh shares open interest, but very close to that number is 15,200 strike with 25.6 lakh shares open interest, and the highest open interest addition has also taken place at 15,200 strike, followed by 15,300 strike, which is very close to the existing level of Nifty closing today. On the call side, highest open interest continues to be at 15,500 mark with 25.8 lakh shares in open interest. However, the highest open interest addition has taken place today at 15,600 and 15,700 strike. 15,700 strike as the next highest open interest at over 20 lakh shares of open interest. Let's have a look at the daily chart of Nifty. On Friday, it had formed a doji candle, but after the doji, today Nifty gave a gap up wherein the open and low was exactly the same. So that is the strong bullish signal that you have today. And after the doji, Nifty gapped up, plus it ended above 15,300 level after crossing 15,336. So that is a very positive and strong signal from the markets. So it has made a new closing high and it ends in a green candle around this level, which is 14,900 and 15,000. Nifty will have very strong support. You can see that Nifty is just unable to close below 15,000 mark, so that will prove to be a very strong support for Nifty in the days going forward also. However, the only thing which is disturbing slightly is the volume on positive days like this, and this is lower than the volume on the down days or negative days. That's the only thing, but yeah, that's market sentiment at play, so we may have to ignore it as long as the price action continues to be strong. So looking at the strong momentum, I will be looking to buy Nifty call option for this Thursday's expiry. What I would like to see is whether or not Nifty crosses 15,350 level and sustains above it for some time. Once it does that, I will buy the Nifty call option, which is around 95 rupees as of now. But of course, once it crosses 15,350 tomorrow, as and when, I would like to buy this call option, whatever be the price at that point of time. And in my opinion, Nifty may close at 15,500 level or possibly above that also. So you can buy the 15,350 call option and go for a bull call spread, that is sell the 15,500 strike call option. So you will get the difference, which is 150 points or 150 rupees maximum, and the difference will be the amount that you pay. So if you look at this example, so 95 is the current price that you will pay for buying the call option, and 15,500 you will get 35 rupees on selling it. You will have to pay an amount of 60 rupees from your pocket. That will be the cost of this bull call spread, and the maximum gain will be 150 points, the difference between this minus 60, so 90. So that will make it a 60 to 90 risk reward. That is 1 is to 1.5 risk reward. In case you are more aggressive and you want to take only buy call position, you can do that also, and you can just buy and hold the call option. You can keep a stop loss if you want, or otherwise you can hold it till Thursday's expiry. It may or may not end at 15,500, but that's the kind of target that I have in mind, looking the highest open interest position at this point of time. And I won't be surprised if 15,500 also gets crossed for some time. In order to reduce the cost of this, you can even look to sell 15,200 kind of put options. So that will give you around 45 rupees premium. So out of 60 rupees, you will get back 45 rupees, and the cost for this total strategy will remain only 15 rupees. As long as Nifty closes above 15,200, you will get, your cost will be only 15 rupees. In case if Nifty goes to 15,500, it closes at 15,500, then you will get to pocket this entire premium of 45 rupees, plus you will get this call option becoming 150 rupees and 15,500 becoming 0. So this will be a net gain situation wherein your cost is only 15 rupees and your return can be as high as 150 rupees also. So 1 is to 10 kind of risk reward ratio. So this is going to be my strategy for this Thursday's expiry for tomorrow's trading session. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed at 37,306, up by 1197 points. Yes, that is almost 1200 points up move in a day, which is 3.3% gain over Friday's close. Wow. And Bank Nifty futures closed at 37,540. That is a premium of 234 points. This is really very strong premium that you are witnessing in Bank Nifty futures also. This is extremely high level of bullish activity in Bank Nifty futures. On the put side, the highest open interest is at 36,000 strike with over 9 lakh shares in open interest, followed by 36,500 strike and 37,000 strike with over 6 lakh shares in open interest. Highest open interest addition has taken place at 36,500 strike, followed by 37,000 strike. On the call side, the open interest is not very strong at any single point, but the highest open interest today morning was at 37,000 strike, and you can see unwinding has taken place of 2 lakh shares because Bank Nifty crossed and sustained above 37,000 strike. So that led to tremendous short covering. You can see the 37,000 strike has actually witnessed a jump of 477% in price. As of now, the highest open interest is at 38,000 strike, 7.3 lakh shares, which is where the highest open interest addition has also taken place. So you can see that there is not much conviction for selling call options, whereas put writing is extremely strong, even just 300 points away from the current level of Bank Nifty. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, and here we can see that the 35,500 mark has been providing very strong support to Bank Nifty, and the last 6 trading sessions Bank Nifty was stuck in a narrow range. There's almost like a triangle formation that had happened over the past 6 trading sessions, and finally today Bank Nifty managed to break out of that resistance and went above 37,000 and sustained above it also, which is very important. So Bank Nifty has also given a new all-time high closing, and it has gone up by over 1200 points in a day. So you can see the kind of strong up moves that are happening in Indian markets, and the sentiment is extremely bullish as of now. So we have to also participate in the up move. Again, volumes over here also, just like Nifty, on up days the volumes are lower as compared to volumes on down days. I would like to use a similar strategy for Bank Nifty also today, but one thing that we need to keep in mind is the premiums are very high for Bank Nifty. So for instance, 37,500 call option, which is as of now slightly out of the money, has a premium of 471 points. So if I buy this call option of 37,500, for assuming that the Nifty Bank Nifty will close at 38,000, I have to pay almost the same premium. So the difference is 500 points, and I'm almost paying 500 points in premium. That's why what I would like to see is Bank Nifty sustaining above 37,500 for some time, only then will I enter this position of buying 37,500 strike, and I will do a bull call spread because the premiums are really very high. So I don't want to lose my entire premium. I will sell the 38,000 strike call option, which is around 267 rupees. So effectively what I'll be paying is the difference, that is a premium of roughly 200 rupees. That will be my cost, and my maximum gain will be 500 points. So again it will be 200 is to 300, so that is 1 is to 1.5 kind of a risk reward ratio, which is again very similar to what we are doing in the bull call spread of Nifty also. And of course, to reduce this spread, because the cost is 200, what you can also do is you can sell the 36,700 strike put option, which is giving around 194 rupees premium. So effectively this will become a zero cost bull call spread for you. So as long as Bank Nifty closes above 36,700, you don't lose anything. Of course, this Bank Nifty starts falling intraday or towards closing or subsequently on Wednesday, then you will have to do some adjustments. So keep a tight stop loss and take this position only if you have strong conviction in the bull call spread and in the bullishness of Bank Nifty. So that's it from my end, friends. Do take good care of yourselves, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the contents of this video. Thank you so much.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.